Been a while since I've done that. So now that's done, well, it's a very rough, to be fair, template. Just spray over it. Like this. Doesn't have to be neat. Not for this car anyway. It doesn't really have to be that thick neither. Goku. So yesterday I also said bye to Sonic. Sonic was on the door, but now I've replaced it with Toothless. Very, very faint, and I quite like that. So I put a bit more black paint on the back bumper. Yeah, I know it doesn't blend in right yet, but it will do. I've got more to add. I've got more to add on two corners. Yeah, I've also got YouTube. Well, the Facebook page to add actually. Got another bit to add there. I can't really add anything at the minute because of the water droplets, but I'm actually trying something with the water. I'm going to see how it works. A bit of an update, I've been doing a bit more painting. Blended in a little bit. It's not really to be blended in, right? But I've got Team LC now. I've got the Team LC Facebook videos. And then, oh, guy down there. I did do one on this side, but it's gone a bit wrong. Well, we've got the Team LC there. I've got a lightly mist over it now. I say lightly. Never turns out as light as what I want it to be. That's it now. Pack up time. So I finished off the back end. Rather than add anything, I thought, right, I'll just finish it off. But I've got more to add there because I need to add another page and a few other pages as well. I've got more to add on there because I've got pages to add on there and there. But that's how it's going. The fallback's going to be black, I think. I don't know, random ideas pop up in my head all the time. I may end up just sanding it all back to the primer and going again. But the fallout now stands out a bit better because I used the wire wool method. Matty Perry was one person that told me to do it, and there was somebody else as well that told me to do it. But canards are on. I lost the footage to that, which I'm gutted about. Fog lights are in. Barbed wire on grill still. What else? Headlights I think are meant to be getting painted. I think he's on with that. The mirrors will be getting painted. The bonnet I've still yet to change. I like that blue. I've always liked that blue. Well, the primer grey. Well, yeah. It's another day done on this. Let's hope I don't bang it like within the first few minutes of racing or driving or what. I've got the engine to get done now.